Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and my name is Sonia Luthra. As you are already aware of the fact that I am one of the top educators for IELTS on an academy platform, I would like to tell you about an academy to you guys if you are already not aware of it. So when it comes to before I move to what an academy is, I would like to tell you that after this particular session, if you want to get in touch with me, this is my Telegram channel as well as group. So there would be basically this is what exactly the emblem look like. So this is a channel wherein there is no two-way communication is allowed, and this is a group wherein you can communicate with me, right? You will be like, why to join this particular Telegram? You will be getting all the latest IELTS related content plus news. If anything comes, like if any change comes to IELTS format or anything, the first body to share that information would be this Telegram group. Secondly, you will get the schedule of all my free lectures and my notes here through this Telegram group or the Telegram. Last but not least, definitely if you want to get in touch with me, or if you have any doubt, then also you can definitely get in touch with me through my Telegram channel or group. So this is the key to getting in touch with me. So please go ahead and join this Telegram group if you haven't done it yet. Next, since you people are here on Unacademy's YouTube channel, you people are aware of the YouTube channel, but there are a lot of students who are still not available on the Unacademy's Learners app. So guys, I would like to tell you that Unacademy is one of the India's largest online platform which helps you prepare for n number of competitive exams. It will not only help you prepare for IELTS exam, but it will also help you in various Indian competitive exams like banking, UPSC, NEET and many more, right? So if you are not interested for IELTS, you can definitely ask your siblings or your friends to join Unacademy for any other competitive exam as well, which they are preparing for. So how to join Unacademy platform? So there are basically two ways you can watch the videos on. One is you can directly go to the Apple Store or Android Play Store and you can type Unacademy Learning app. This is what it looks like. You people can download the application directly from the Play Store or the Apple Store, or you can log into the unacademy.com's website. Okay, so either way you people are going to register yourself if you are the first time user. For registration, the website and the app is gonna ask you for few details like your mobile number, your name, where are you from, and an OTP to verify if you are a genuine user, right? Once you are done with it, you can select your goal as IELTS if you are here for IELTS preparation, or as per your preference you can choose your goal, whichever a competitive exam you are preparing for, right? Now under the Unacademy platform also there are two different type of classes. Okay, one are the free classes and another category of the class is the paid class, which is the premium content. Okay, so now what is the difference between these two classes? Let me quickly go ahead and tell you. Like if I talk about the free classes, definitely the free classes are going to be useful for you people, but then these are not structurized, as we do have a lot of educators in every niche. So every educator is going to take their own free classes and the courses are not going to be very structurized. You can have repetitive courses, you can have repetitive topics in the free classes from other educators as well. But when I talk about the paid courses, Paid courses, in the paid courses also we have two different type of courses. One is the batch course, in which all the 4 modules will be taken care by different educators, just like this one. This particular course is going to start on 25th of 2021, which I think has already started. So this is a batch course wherein 4 different educators are going to help you with 4 different micro skills. For example, Shivangi ma'am is going to help you with listening, Gurpreet sir is going to help you with reading, myself is going to help you with speaking, and Garima ma'am is going to take care of your writing. So this is a batch course wherein if you join this particular course, you can attend all the 4 modules from a different trainer, right? There is another type of class which are the individual classes. Like for example, I have this particular individual class of writing task 1, which is starting from 8th of September. So I will be the trainer and I will be helping you with your entire task 1. This course is for GT as well as academic. Definitely the classes are going to be different because GT deals with letter writing and academic deals with report writing. So we are going to have alternative day classes, like one day for GT, another day for academic, right? And the timing for this class is going to be 8:15 to 9:15. If I talk about the remaining 2 classes, listening and speaking, these are again the part of a batch course. So I'm not pretty sure about who are going to take who basically are going to be the part of the course and who people are going to take care of the remaining modules. But I will be taking care of listening in this batch, and I will be taking care of speaking in this particular batch. So date and the timing are already mentioned here. So these are the premium courses and the paid courses, which are like more structured, and you people can definitely get benefited out of these courses if you are somebody who's looking to start your preparation, or who has already taken formal coaching from somewhere but just want to brush up some skills. And if you have already taken your exam but did not get your required band, so these courses are for you, right? Now let me tell you some USPs for Unacademy, that why should you people join Unacademy's platform. So first of all, like Unacademy is as I told you, that Unacademy is a bigger umbrella which take care of a lot of different examinations, be it Indian competitive examination or the exams which would lead you to abroad, right? So if I particularly talk about IELTS, we have India's top 10 educators who are going to help you to prepare for your exam. So starting with Sonam ma'am, Gurpreet sir, myself, Shivangi ma'am, Garima ma'am, Shama ma'am, Shreya sir, Kavaljeet Kaur ma'am, Griti Geo ma'am, and Nikhil Chuchra, right? We have all these educators. These educators are not from a single city. These educators, including myself, are from different parts of India, and these are the top educators from their own cities. So if you go to, just imagine, if you go to a local institute, there you might have only one educator, for example Gurpreet sir, or if you like talk about Delhi NCR, you may get trained by me only. But then if you join Unacademy, you really don't have to go to different institutes to get trained by these top 10 educators. Instead, you can join the Unacademy and all the top educators of India are present here for you, and they will take care of yourself, right? The first USP is this. Secondly, I would also like to tell you that every single month we do launch more than 20 courses. Then we do have separate classes for general and academic training. We do have 10 plus mock tests every month, and there are dedicated doubt solving classes as well. So in each course, every 4th class is a doubt solving class wherein you people can bring your doubts and solve it. Apart from that, the Unacademy has launched a new feature wherein you people can have a two-way conversation, like especially which will be useful for the speaking module. So in this particular feature, you people can actually speak and we can evaluate you live. So I can ask you questions and you can speak. Definitely speaking is all about speaking. Unless you speak, you people are not going to get your bands. So earlier we never used to have this particular feature, but now it's been introduced wherein a trainer can ask you questions and you people can answer them live and they can evaluate it right there. So that is going to be very, very useful and helpful for you if you are struggling with the speaking module and you're unable to get more than 6 bands in speaking. Apart from that, the most important thing that I would like to tell you here is that the fees. If you go to a local institute of yours, they might charge you something around 6 to 12k depending upon which institute you are joining. Even if you join the online classes, the online people are charging for around same, like 6k to 15k depending upon whom you are joining. But when it comes to Unacademy, we do have variety of plans for you people, starting from a month, then we have 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months courses. Okay, so you people, if you look at this particular fees for a month, this is only 2700. If you go for 2 months, this is only 5000, and if you go for a 3 months course, like I generally do not recommend anybody is taking more than 3 months coaching for IELTS, but if you think that, you can definitely go for the 6 months or the higher months of plan. And the good news is that you people can avail a 10% discount over this price as well. Like after 10% discount, what exactly you people need to do for a 10% discount? So for a 10% discount, you people need to go ahead and use my code, which is SONIA10. Okay, this is a referral code that you would need to use if you are looking for a 10% discount. Here, if you look at the bottom, it says apply a code. So if you apply SONIA10, you will get a 10% discount on each and every type of plan. So after a 10% discount, it would be only 2430, and the 2 months would be 4500. Most, like 99% students are going for a 2 months course because this is reasonable, as well as you need at least more than 1 month for preparing for IELTS, right? Especially through an online platform. If you go about 3 months, it's gonna cost you something around 6k. So like, let's compare it. Here you people are paying 6k to 12k for 1 month of training. Here for 3 months of training, you people are paying something around 6k. Here you are gonna get trained under one trainer. Here you have variety of trainers, and that too, those trainers are the best in their industry, right? So I think these are enough points and these are enough reasons for you people to join Unacademy, isn't it? If you still have any query, or if you would like to discuss your strategy or preparation plan with me, I already told you that where to get in touch with me. IELTS Simplified is where you people can get in touch with me. Mera Telegram, mera Facebook, and everything, you will get me through this name only, right? And of course, this is my code, which is written on every slide. So please do not forget to use this referral code if you people are planning to buy the subscription plan. Right now, let's quickly move to today's content. So today's topic of the class is that what if you are left with only 1 week of time and you have to take your IELTS exam? People get terrified. Honestly, people do get terrified by thinking of this. Like, even this thought scares them that you only left with 1 week and you have to take your exam. But when it comes to IELTS, since it is not a very difficult exam, but I would not say that it is that easy. It is not a cakewalk either, right? So we can still go ahead and prepare in a week's time if you do not have any other option. If it is your Hobson's choice to take your exam in 1 week, then what to do? So this particular thing we are going to discuss in today's video. So before I jump to what exactly you people are going to do when it comes to you are only left with 1 week, or if you have 1 week of time to prepare for your IELTS, you would need certain things with you to start your preparation. So the things that you would need for a 1 week's preparation time, if you want to utilize your 1 week to the fullest, you would need either a computer or a mobile with speaker or headphones, because of course you people need to listen to the audio, and you people need to go ahead and solve certain question papers. So you would need, of course, a computer or a mobile alone is not going to work. Definitely you would need an internet connection as well. You would need this particular book, the official Cambridge Guide to IELTS. This is one of the best books to prepare for IELTS. Now you people must be thinking, if I order this book from Amazon, it's gonna take 2 to 3 days or more than that, right? So don't worry about that. I've got this covered for you people. So you know my Telegram group already, right? IELTS Simplified. I've told you that in the beginning of the session. So please go ahead and join this Telegram group of mine, and you will get the soft copy of the official Cambridge there in the file section, okay? So quickly go ahead and download it, and you people are sorted with it. So I told you that, guys, I'm gonna take care of everything. What you exactly need to do is you just have to enroll yourself for the classes. That's all. Rest I'll take care of that. Of course you would need a timer. Most of the people do not have a timer, but then you can use a stopwatch on your mobile, right? Nowadays everybody owns a mobile phone, so it's not a Herculean task to get a timer. Then these two things are very, very important, that you would need a professional trainer, not to teach you the tips and strategies, but to evaluate your speaking and writing. If you do not have a professional trainer, there is no point taking exam in 1 week's of time. You're any which way is gonna waste your 15,000 by sitting in the exam and failing it, right? So this is very important. I told you, you people can enroll to Unacademy, and I will be your guide. I will be evaluating your speaking as well as writing, right? Another thing that you would need is you would need a speaking partner or a friend with whom you people can have mock speaking interviews, right? So evaluation is something that a professional trainer would do, but then you would need somebody who can help you boost your confidence while speaking the language. So these are two different things. Please do not mix it. If you think that by only getting a speaking partner you can get your required bands, that's not gonna happen ever. You're ultimately gonna waste your 15K, and you will have to take your exam once more, and every single time you people are going to rely on the speaking partners, you people are going to fail the exam, right? So it is better to take training in one go and then take your exam. So these are some things that you would need before you start your preparation for a 1 week's time, right? Next, so I have divided this particular course in 7 days, and each and every day we are going to do something or the else, so that we can utilize these 7 days to the fullest, okay? So day 1, if you are somebody who is pretty new to IELTS and does not have any idea, see, this is a generalized preparation plan, right? If you are looking for a more personal approach to IELTS in a week or a 15 days of time, you people can definitely get in touch with me personally. But this is more of a generalized plan that would work for a person who does not have any idea for IELTS and a person who has already taken a formal coaching as well, right? For more personalized strategies or plans, you people can definitely get in touch with me through my Telegram group. So the day 1 is all about getting oriented about the IELTS exam. So day 1 also we are going to divide this entire day in 3 different items. So item number 1 is that you people can become familiar with the format of IELTS exam. Instead of spending a lot of time studying English grammar or working on your pronunciation. So this is the biggest mistake that a lot of you people are doing. What you people do is the moment you people start preparing for IELTS, you start your preparation with grammar. You don't really have the luxury of time in your hands, isn't it? So instead of working on something which would take a lot of time, work on something which will help you get good bands. So we will not be working on grammar, we will not be working on pronunciation, but first day, the item number 1 is that we'll get oriented, we'll get to know the format of the IELTS exam. So these are some points, like you should know the general overview, exam format, you should know how the scoring is done, you should know all the 4 modules in depth, like what is reading is all about, what listening is all about, what speaking is all about, what writing is all about, and how to study about the IELTS. So since this is a very small video, I cannot go ahead and cover each and every topic here, but if you people like me, if you would like me to go ahead and help you with all the 4 modules, basic format in detail, then you people can definitely comment below, and I would do that for you, right? So item number 1 is done. We have gotten familiar with the format of each and every micro skill that would require in our IELTS exam. Now item number 2 is very, very important. You need to go ahead and take a self-assessment exam. Now what is a self-assessment exam is? Like, as I told you that you people would need this particular book, the official Cambridge Guide to IELTS. So the entire study plan is on the basis of this book that you have already downloaded from my Telegram group. If you haven't done it, please do it right now and open the page numbers that is written on this particular site, right? So we are basically not going to solve the entire paper of 3 hours, but then what we are going to do is we are going to do sectional self-assessment so that we can gauge ourselves that where exactly do we stand. So for listening, like, you will be doing 21 to 40 questions, practice number tests and page numbers are also given to you. For reading as well, I would I've given you each and everything, the practice test number and the page number, and like from which question to which question you people have to solve, right? So once you are done with all the 4 modules, the next thing that you need to do is item number 3 that you need to do is that share the result of this self-assessment with your trainer, the professional trainer that you have hired, and learn speaking strategies from your trainer. Because since you already only have 7 days, we have to move little quicker than, because we don't have that luxury in our hand that we can procrastinate things and keep on procrastinating things to tomorrow. So here in the day number 1, first get familiar with the format. Second, take a self-assessment on the basis of 2 things. One, this slide, and the other that the book that you have already downloaded, the official Cambridge Guide to IELTS. And then share the result with your professional trainer. Like, if you have joined an academy, then you probably would be sharing this result with me, right? So once you share this result, I would know that where exactly you people are standing right now, and we'll accordingly work on you for the rest of the 6 days. And I would also be sharing the speaking strategies with you. As I told you that we do not have the luxury of time in our hands. So day 1 is now over. You're gonna sleep properly. Now you know speaking strategies, you are well aware of the format. Now day number 2, what exactly we are going to do on day 2. So on day 2 पे क्या करेंगे? On day 2 we are gonna focus on writing task 2. How exactly we are going to do that? So in the month of July, I have taken an entire writing course on Unacademy's platform, wherein, see, definitely you people have to get yourself enrolled for the Unacademy course, because the entire plan is on the basis of what I have taught on Unacademy and what is coming live on Unacademy for the next like 6-7 days, right? So previous month, in the month of July, I have taken entire theory course on your writing task 2 as well as like writing task 2. So what exactly you people have to do is on the day 2, there are like around 7 to 10 videos. You can fast forward those videos and watch those videos, and then write an essay on the basis of that particular videos and submit it for evaluation to me, right? You have watched all the writing task 2 videos, you have written an essay, and you have submitted it for the evaluation. Now rest thing is left on me. I will be evaluating that particular essay and sharing the feedback with you, right? And another thing that you would be doing here is that since you already know the speaking strategies, you will be practicing one-on-one 10 to 12 minutes with me for your speaking, right? If you have joined Unacademy. Otherwise, if you have hired any trainer, you can follow the same pattern with your another trainer as well by just taking out the printout of this particular plan. This is definitely going to help you in achieve your required band scores. So day 2 is already over. We are now done with task 2. and you already have gotten the feedback of the essay that you have written. You have already gotten the feedback live for your speaking that we have done. Now coming to the day 3, what exactly we are going to do on day 3 is, on day 3 you are going to watch all the reading module videos. I have taken a theory reading course in the month of July. So in the month of July, I have taken theory classes for each and every module. So you people can definitely be able to find all the 4 modules theory classes in the month of July, right? So go to the July months, look for the reading course, go through all the videos, and then today what you're going to do is you are going to write another essay for me on the basis of the feedback that I've shared with you for the previous day's essays. We have written an essay on day 2nd as well, right? And I've shared the feedback already with you. So on the basis of that feedback, you people are going to write another essay for me and submit it for the evaluation. And then of course one-on-one speaking practice is going to be the part of every single day till the time we take our exam. So you have watched all the reading classes, you have written another essay, you have done your speaking practice as well. So day 3 is also over now. Let's move to day number 4. Day number 4 is all about listening now. So we'll be focusing on watching the listening videos. Another thing that we are going to do is we are going to practice a full length reading test, since on the previous day we did not do that. We only watched all the classes. So we are going to do a full reading test, and you people are going to share your reading doubts with me, like if you hire me as a trainer, of course. And that moment only, like when we are discussing your doubts, I will definitely be guiding that where did you go wrong, right? So you will be watching listening videos, you will be doing a full reading test, and then you're going to share your reading doubts with me, and I'm going to explain you that why did you go wrong. Then already you have gotten the feedback for your second essay as well. So you're going to write another essay on the basis of your day 3's feedback. And of course we are going to do a speaking, one-on-one speaking practice, right? So till now what exactly we have done, we know speaking strategies and we have been practicing one-on-one speaking. We know writing task 2 strategies and we have written 2 essays till now, actually 3 essays, है ना? उसके बाद we have already practiced 1 reading test and you have already cleared your doubts. So each and everything is going in a proper structurized manner, right? After that, what exactly we are going to do, day 4 you people are going to do a listening test because you have watched. Now day 5 is a very critical day because you have done almost everything except task 1. So you are going to do a full listening test, you are going to do a full reading test. You are again going to write an essay on the basis of the feedback of day 4th essay, right? You are also going to practice speaking one-on-one with me, like if you of course hire, like that is asterisk, एक नीचे condition में लिखा होता है ना कि if you hire me as your trainer, because as I told you that this particular pattern can be followed by your another trainers as well if you follow them or if you join anybody anywhere else, but then you probably not have the course like that I told you, the videos in handy. So please make sure if you are following this course, talk to your trainer that if they already have all the content ready for you. If not, then please go join an academy because all the theory courses are already present there, right? So as I told you, day 5th is gonna be very, very critical for each and every student. So here we are going to write another essay on the basis of the day 4th essay's feedback. We are going to do full listening test, we are going to do full reading test, and going to share the doubts for listening as well as reading with me, and I'm going to tell you where did you go wrong. Then you are also going to do one-on-one speaking with me, and you people are going to write a letter as well, since letter or report on the basis of which exam you are taking. If you're taking GT, you're probably going to write a letter for me, and if you're going to take academic, then you're going to probably write a report for me, right? So day 5 पे हम सब कर चुके, हमने राइटिंग 1 लिख के दे दिया, राइटिंग टास्क 2 लिख के दे दिया, मतलब फुल राइटिंग हमने एक बार करके दे दिया, एंड रीडिंग एंड लिसनिंग वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन, डाउट शेयर हो गई, स्पीकिंग का लाइव इवैल्यूएशन हो गया आपका, यू लाइक बाय द टाइम डे 5 खत्म होगा, आपके पास अपना एसे और आपका रिपोर्ट का फीडबैक आ चुका होगा. सो डे 5th इज प्रिटी सॉर्टेड नाउ. नाउ डे 6 and day 7 are for practice. So practice a full IELTS test, like all the 4 modules, task 1, task 2, listening, reading and speaking मेरे साथ. बाकी जो भी doubts हैं, we are gonna like share in the similar way that we have done in the previous days. पूरा का पूरा listening, reading का doubt live देखेंगे, speaking का live evaluation हो जाएगा, writing का feedback आपको मिल जाएगा. And day 7 you're almost done guys, because all the 4 modules are covered, and again you're gonna do a full mock test and share and discuss all your doubts, and then work on the feedback shared by your trainer. And of course on day 8 you people are ready for your exam. This is an intense preparation plan for a week, okay, but if you do it with Unacademy, it would be more beneficial for you instead of like doing it with some other platform or some trainer, because I can guarantee you that it would work with Unacademy's platform, but I cannot guarantee you if you follow the same pattern with some other trainer or some other platform, because the only thing that I am dicey about is that they might not have all the content handy or ready for you in unlike we have it on the Unacademy's platform, right? So this is an intense way to practice in 1 week's of time, and you people will definitely be able to get your required scores if you follow it to the core. थोड़ा सा extra मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. We definitely have to go a little extra mile for this, but this is our Hobson's choice, right? Instead of spending 15,000 and failing in the exam, take these 7 days off from your work and everything and just focus on the IELTS strategies, and your trainer, like a trainer like me, will definitely be there with you to give you a backup support, right? With you people following this 7 days plan with me, you people will definitely be able to get your good scores, right? So looking forward for you all people to see in my upcoming classes that I've already talked about in the first half of the video, right? So, and I would also like to tell you once again that these the classes that I've told you for the previous months are the premium content, so you have to buy the subscription for that, and to buy the subscription and avail a 10% discount, this is my code. And of course this is my Telegram ID if you are somebody who wants to discuss and talk to me about your preparation strategy, then please get in touch with me. I'll be seeing you very soon, and you people can definitely comment below if you want me to take up any other topic through YouTube or the free classes Unacademy. I would be more than happy to help you with that. And be safe in this pandemic, be safe at your home, and take all the precautions definitely, and I'll see you very soon in my upcoming videos. Also, do not forget to like the video and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribe to the channel, please do it so that you do not miss out on any new video. Bye bye till the next video. Take care.